The Earth is a dense ball of iron and rock, the largest solid body in our solar system. It formed 4.5 billion years ago, from a mass of dust and gas left over from the formation of the Sun. Although the assembly of the Earth was practically completed within 10 million years, it is accurate to say that its formation is still not finished, because the Earth remains geologically active. The Earth's crust is divided into 15 segments called tectonic plates between 5 and 50 kilometers, 3 and 30 miles, thick, all slowly floating over a silicate mantle. Beneath the mantle lies an iron-nickel core. The Earth's surface, a thin layer of a small, rocky body orbiting a typical star in the suburbs of an average galaxy, is to date the only place we know to harbor life. Life appeared on Earth within its first billion years and developed to encompass millions of species. Vegetation is the dominant life form on Earth, at least in terms of biomass and environmental impact. It has altered the atmospheric composition of the Earth and could potentially be detected from distant space by its characteristic reflectivity in infrared.